Welcome to Productive Day. Study with me, a day in my life. What I intend doing in this video is just to reveal to my global audience members, okay, those are things that I do whenever I am in my study space. That has that have those things that have really contributed to my intellectual productivity. Because as I speak to you, I've written about 6 books. I write articles. Okay, I train teachers both online and offline. So my the purpose of this video is just to give my subscribers, okay, my viewers, okay, ideas, okay, that they can also incorporate in order just to help them to become more productive, to improve their academic performances, to make them become leaders in their various, okay, kind of domains, okay, and fields of competition, etc. And for my study tips, okay, the first thing I do, there are certain things that I do. The first thing that I do in order just to be in that mood, that state that I call LSM, okay, L learning state and mood, so that I can really enter into learning flow, is I try to make sure that whatever is really sitting on my mind, I work on it to free my mind from any negative, okay, thoughts, okay, any kind of negative mood, anything that can make me maybe depressed, or that can distract me from focusing on whatever I want to actually study, okay, at that moment. So that is the first thing. I work on my mindset. I try to make sure that I get into that learning mindset for effective learning productivity. Then I have 4 ideas or insights that I strongly believe if you are able to integrate in your own, maybe your learning lifestyle, okay, all these ideas will help you achieve tremendous, okay, results. And I would like to really show you some kind of things that are on my study table. I'm really studying outside. I've read, okay, since 3 a.m., 3:30 a.m., sorry. And if you look at my, okay, this is my study table, okay, you can see I have a body, okay, that at times, okay, in order just to be actively maybe connected to whatever I'm studying, I write things, okay, on the board. So now let's go back, okay, to my kind of elucidation, my analysis. So the first tip is that I practice what is called active learning. Okay, I actively engage in whatever I'm studying. I have jotters, I have a writing, okay, materials. Okay, all this help me to become actively engaged in the learning process itself. So I'm going to really advise you to make sure that you have things. Okay, I call them learning, okay, action potentials, things that will make you want to read, okay, for long hours and to become productive, okay, in the process. So make sure that you have things like this. Then the second one is that I also practice active retrieval. Okay, whenever I'm reading, I'm studying, and I come across something that is new, I pause whatever I'm doing and I try to see if I can retrieve it. And as you practice this, okay, there's something called concept neurons in the brain. Okay, the concept neurons, okay, these are images, okay, of the pictures of the brain. Okay, this is what's called the hippocampus, okay, that organ. Okay, this is the hippocampus, while this is the amygdala. The hippocampus is that organ that is responsible for encoding, okay, those information, those knowledge, those facts that you come across in the course of your learning. Then if you look at this brain itself, okay, this is the frontal cortex. Okay, this, it plays a key role in learning and memory. And in our brains, we have about 100 billion neurons, but there are some populations of neurons that are dedicated to learning, okay, to memory and to intelligence. So whenever you're learning, those neurons help you to encode those semantic details, knowledge of facts, okay, that you're able to recall during exams or tests. And then I also practice what I call learning imagination. Like Albert Einstein who said that imagination is greater than knowledge, because knowledge is limited, but imagination is endless. I try to really, if I come across a new concept and I want to really recall it, I stop whatever I do and I start thinking, I start imagining it. I try to actually change the concept, okay, the abstract idea into concrete thing. At times I draw, at times I form acronyms, okay, and by so doing, okay, such information will stick in my brain. Then finally, I also practice what I call Pomodoro technique. So sometimes I might read for like 15 minutes and take 2 minutes break. At times I might read for like 25 minutes, take 5 minutes break. I read for like 45 minutes, I take 10 minutes break. Okay, and during those break sessions, I don't do anything cognitively or intellectually demanding. I just relax. At times, I can take maybe biscuits. Okay, if you at times I take chocolate. Okay, take a soft drink, coffee, etc. So these are things that I put into practice that have made my life so intellectually productive. And I strongly believe that if students and individuals who are interested in becoming leaders, okay, in their various fields, if they put all this into practice, it will make them become outstanding. It will make students become toppers in their class. Thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to drop a comment. I have written my sixth book. It is titled Top Secrets for Acing All Exams in the World. I culled data both locally and internationally. I studied 12 Nobel, okay, Prize winners. I studied Asian and Chinese students, okay, first class students all over the world. It is based on this kind of a suite of okay ideas that I wrote. I actually wrote that book. Please, when you drop a comment, add your email. I would send you the book. Thank you so much, and as I see you in the next video.